Imagine closing your eyes for a moment and picturing your dream life. The success, the freedom, the purpose, all of it just within reach. Now, open your eyes. What if I told you that this simple act, visualizing your future, can change your reality? A few years ago, I was stuck in a cycle of doubt, frustration, and stagnation. But everything shifted the day I discovered visualization. Not as a fantasy, but as a powerful tool to reprogram my mind. In this video, I'll take you through how I used visualization to rebuild my life, starting from rock bottom to real progress. It all began when I stumbled upon a podcast where a successful athlete talked about visualizing victory. At first, I dismissed it. How could imagining success make it real? But desperate for change, I decided to give it a shot. I closed my eyes, saw a confident, focused, and successful version of myself, and for the first time in a long time, I felt like I had direction. The next day was different. It wasn't just about going through the motions. I could see myself waking up early, crushing my goals, and speaking with confidence. So, I began acting like that person. By the end of the week, I had made more progress than in the last month. Visualization wasn't a fantasy, it was the seed for the momentum I needed. And here's the science behind it: visualization is more than just daydreaming. Athletes, CEOs, and astronauts use it because the brain can't tell the difference between something you imagine and something that happens. Visualization rewires your brain for success, aligning your actions with your goals. I didn't stop there. I made visualization part of my daily ritual. Every morning, I took 5 minutes to picture my future self, successful, disciplined, and fulfilled. I didn't just see it, I felt it. The excitement, pride, and gratitude were real. The more I visualized, the more my actions aligned with my vision. I became the person I used to imagine. Doubt didn't disappear overnight. On tough days, I used visualization to overcome fear and limiting beliefs. Instead of saying, "I'm not enough," I began to say, "I'm unstoppable." Little by little, those old doubts faded as I replaced them with unwavering faith in myself. As I continued this practice, real changes began to unfold. Opportunities came my way. My confidence skyrocketed, and I found myself achieving goals that once seemed impossible. It wasn't coincidence. It was the alignment between my vision and my actions. Now, it's your turn. You don't need to wait for the perfect moment to start visualizing. Find a quiet space, close your eyes, and imagine your dream life. Be specific, see the details and feel the emotions. Make it a daily habit, even if it's just for 5 minutes. Consistency is key. Visualization is not just a mental exercise, it's a way of life. It's about seeing your success before it happens, feeling it, and acting as if it's already yours. You have the power to shape your reality, one thought at a time. So, see it, feel it, and become it. Now, drop a comment below and let me know, what's the one thing you're visualizing today? And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with anyone who needs a little inspiration.